thank you for clicking on this video. Today is Friday, which means that we're going to be doing another kids art tutorial. These tutorials on Friday are using things that you can find in our kids art boxes, but we have got plenty of other ideas. We'll include for substitutes that you can make if you didn't get a chance to order a kids box, or if they were sold out by the time that you tried to get one. They've been really popular. They've been selling out within a couple of hours every time that we make them available, which is amazing. Not only do we know that we're getting them out to as many kids as we possibly can every week, but it also shows us that there is a distinct need for this kind of stuff in our local community, which means the work that we're doing is having at least a small positive impact. So that's just incredibly heartwarming, and it makes it much easier for me to get up every morning and actually do something during lockdown. So thank you for all the support that you've given us. Thank you for the people that have helped us surpass our target on our GoFundMe page, and thank you to all of you who have been ordering the boxes, who have been ordering cupcakes, cakes, brownies, cookies, everything that we sell from our small business. Thank you to the parents who have been buying birthday cakes for their kids. So today we're going to get on with it. In our boxes that were delivered on Tuesday this week, you'll have found some little badges. We've also seen some kids already getting excited and creative with some of these things. One of the parents who follows us on our social media has shared a gorgeous picture of 2 matching badges that say BFF, and they're going to send it to a friend who lives far away, which is a lovely idea and a really creative way for especially the young ones to keep in contact with their friends when they're not going to primary school and they haven't got the chance to do their after school activities. This is a really lovely way for people who don't use social media, like children, to still be able to keep in contact with their friends and still have that social aspect. And it really made my day when this was shared with us. That being said, if you do try out any of our tutorials, or if you just use the materials that you received this week to do something completely different, please share them with us. We have been getting pictures flooding in from parents of their kids' artwork, and I can't tell you how amazing it is to see the resilience of some of these children during a really difficult time for everyone. So please do share them with us. Please do keep these pictures coming in. They are absolutely the driving force that's inspiring me to keep going. So thank you for sharing them. And let's get on with today's activity.
So we're going to start off with some coloured card, some googly eyes and some glue and felt tip pens. If you've been ordering boxes for the last couple of weeks, then you're likely to have all of these materials by now. Use the plastic front of the badge to draw a circle on some coloured card. This is going to act as your background. Once you've cut out the circle, you can place this inside the plastic to check that it fits and trim it if necessary. You might need a grown-up to help you with the cutting. Once you know how big your picture is going to be, you can use the circle to help measure any parts that you're going to put inside. We're going to do a rocket ship. It might take you a couple of tries to get the right size that you want. Next, we're going to cut out each part of our picture and any details that go on it. And finally, we're going to stick it all together. We're even adding some glitter here to be stars in the background. Once you've finished, put your picture face down inside the plastic circle. Then take the backing of the badge and make sure that the pin is on the outside. Then snap them closed until it clicks. You don't need to do a picture like the one we've done, you can get creative using 3D objects. Here's an idea of how to do a little monster. If you didn't order one of our arts boxes that has badges in it, you can still make badges at home. All you need to do is follow the same steps that we've done and simply sellotape a safety pin onto the back of your badge. You could even use some cardboard as the backing to make it more sturdy. If you'd like to order one of our Kids Arts boxes, you can head over to our website linked below. Fill in your details and click the Proceed to Checkout button. Here you can enter all of your payment details securely through our website. Deliveries are made every Tuesday. Alternatively, you can click the Donate button underneath this box. This will take you to our GoFundMe page where you can read more about what inspired our at-home arts programme and make a donation. You can also view all of our at-home arts programme videos on our website. These are available on YouTube as well. We've pledged to be 100% transparent. We regularly update our website so you can see exactly where your donations are going. I hope you enjoyed this Kids Crafts video. Don't forget to join us tomorrow for our first live video. And as always, stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow.